Hey everyone, it's Lissette here and welcome back to another video on my channel. I am coming to you with another MODELONES video. This was a PR package that they had sent with a whole bunch of different types of Halloween kits that they are selling on their website. So I did do a video before of me showing you one of their kits, which was the Luminous Gel polishes. So go check that out. I will leave it in a card. And I am just going to show you the remaining products that are in this box. So this is one of the kits that they sent. It is a PolyGel kit. It was supposed to be 5 colors in this kit, but I'm guessing one of the colors they just didn't send or forgot. But anyway, the kit comes with a sheet of stickers, a cleanser plus that you can use as slip solution, a PolyGel nail brush, and it was supposed to be 5 gels, but built polygels, but like I said, they did not send one. And these are sunlight sensitive thermal polygel nails. So I got numbers 1, 2, 3. I'm missing number 4, and then I have number 5. So this is what they look like on a card, and since this is sunlight sensitive, when I ended up curing it, you will see how these look after they are cured. I think the color that I'm missing is like an orange color. I'm kind of bummed out that I wasn't sent the full set, but it's alright. I'll easily do a photo for you guys. I didn't want this video to be based on these polygel set. So as you can see, it's already actually changing back because I do have the AC on in my house and it is pretty cold now. So you see it slowly changing back to its original color. I will leave a link below to this thermal polygel kit if you guys are interested in purchasing it, and I would love to actually see your designs. So if you ever decide to post up a picture on Instagram, please tag me because I'd love to see what you guys come up with. All right, on to the next one. So this is their Halloween dip powder starter kit, and it comes with 8 different colors as well as this 4 little jar system, and each one is labeled. So it has the base, activator, gel top, and a brush saver. All is labeled number 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then these are the colors. It comes with a white, a yellow, green, orange, red, a shimmery burgundy, purple, and then black. The kit also comes with this cute little pink brush, and it is super soft. And it also is supposed to come with the nail file, but once again, I am missing that, so I will be using my own. Okay, so this is what I have on my nails right now. I do have a video out with this set, so I will link that. I do want to do this on my own hands, but as you can see, I'm missing some stones. I actually glued these stones on with some IBD hard gel, and I don't like gluing it with hard gel. I mean, they never stay. As you can see, I'm missing, so I don't recommend it, but if you like it, by all means. So I am going to take this hand off though. So after removing the nails, I did add on some new tips, and these tips are more curved, and I did want to go more of like a pointier route. So these are super stiletto, like I could scratch somebody with these. But after I got my nails on, I already did my prep work. I am going to use this base coat, and then I will be curing it for 60 seconds. Now, like I said before, I didn't have instructions with this. I did watch like 1 or 2 videos, but I'm just winging it right now. So I am going to use these 3 colors. I'm going to use that shimmery burgundy, the red, and the black. I wanted to do like a devilish nail design. And I didn't know, once again, which finger I was going to do what. So I am going to go back and forth between these fingers. But for this one, I did know I wanted to do a full nail of this glitter. It is so pretty. So I did apply a thin layer of that base, and then I poured on the glitter as well as brushed it off, and then I went in for a second layer. I think I did this probably 4 times, just trying to build it up, and you could see my hand shaking all over the place. Like My hand was not steady at all. But what I like about this is you don't have to cure it. You don't have to constantly put your hand in and out the light. Like, you know, I do builder gel. If you guys are new to my channel, I am a builder gel type of girl. So this is so new to me, doing this type of product. Like, I don't know. I think I did okay, but you're gonna see how they look before filing it, and they look hurt. They look rough. So like I said, I'm going to do this a couple times just to build it up, and then I will end up putting on that activator. And y'all, once I put this activator, which is, what is this, number 2, this activator makes it so hard. Like, it was kind of like mushy a little bit before, like I could move it around and like press on it if I wanted to, but once that activator hit it, it got so hard and stiff. So yeah, that's new to me. So for the pinky, I'm going to do the same steps, but I tried to do an ombre, which I don't know why I even tried doing it for my first time using a dip powder system, but I wanted to go from black to red, and you're gonna see how it comes out. But once again, I'm going to add a layer of the gel, add powder, dust it off, and then add more of the gel to build up the product. And then once I was satisfied with how, or somewhat satisfied with how the nail was looking, that's when I ended up applying that activator. So I clearly had no idea how to get this to blend into the red. So I did take a little more of that gel base, and then I tried to brush it on with this little brush and kind of blend it downwards, but that didn't really work either. So I ended up just activating the nail just to harden, and this is what it looks like. For this ring finger, I am going the easy route, and I am going to do a full cover of this red. This red is so pretty. I'm like in love with this red. This nail actually turns out pretty good, and I was happy with this nail. I wanted to attempt to do 2 colors on one nail again, so I am going to do it with the red and then with that glitter burgundy color. And in between each layer, I did activate it. I mean, once again, I had no idea if that was going to help. I didn't really have instructions, but I did try, and I kind of felt like it did a little bit. But yeah, I wasn't sure. Like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing. This kit didn't come with instructions because it was a PR package. But yeah, I think it did definitely come out a little bit better than the black and red. Maybe because the colors are more closely related. I don't know, but this one did come out better. The thumbnail, once again, I ended up doing a solid red color. So this is what the nails look like. I did end up going in with another coat of that activator. I just wanted to make sure they was fully hardened. But now I'm just going to go in with my 100-180 grit hand file, and I'm going to start filing the side walls and then as well as reshaping it on top. And I wanted to get that really pointy tip. Once again, I'm trying to go for that devil inspired nails, so this I want super sharp. After hand filing all of the nails, I did go in with my fine tapered drill bit, and I did go over that cuticle area, making sure it was sealed, and then just over top just to reshape it a little bit more.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
After that, I went in with my orange mini buffing block and I buffed over the surface to make it smooth. From there, I did go in with the step 3, which is the gel top coat, and I painted all of the nails and I ended up putting it in the light for 60 seconds. Now, after it came out, I felt like, I want to say like the surface was a little bit grainy. It was super shiny, but I did want more of a smoother surface. So I don't know if you could tell how it looks just kind of like grainy and like a little bit texturized. So I did end up wanting to do a matte top and a regular top coat. So I did go in with both of those, and both of these are from MODELONES as well. So I would link everything below. But after I applied it to the nails, I cured this again for 60 seconds, and then I was super happy with how they came out. And this is what the nails look like. I'm actually surprised I didn't add any stones, but you could definitely add some more stones and just make it look even more devilish. I was going to do this as a giveaway, but I only got one set of the dip powders, but I did get an extra set of the 1, 2, 3, 4 bottles. So if you guys would actually like this set, this exact set that I used in the video, just leave a comment down below, and then I'll be sure to just pick from those names that would want it, and then I will just pick a winner, and I'm not sure what day, but just leave a comment and let me know what you guys think. As always, thank you everyone for taking the time out to watch this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure you guys are following me on all of my social media accounts, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next one.